In this video, we're going to find the derivative of an exponential function of any base. And it says find the derivative of f of x equals 3 to the x divided by 3 to the x plus 5. So we're going to have to use a quotient rule here. And before we do that, let's write down what the derivative of a number to a power, so any number to some power, that would be a to the u power. Natural log a, then it would be times du dx. So we got multiplications there. And the du dx piece is the derivative of the inside function, so that's an application of the chain rule. So let's apply that to this equation here. So we're going to say that u is equal to 3 to the x, which makes u prime. That would be natural log, or not natural log, 3 to the x, natural log of 3, times the derivative of the inside function x. And then v is going to equal 3 to the x plus 5. And v prime is going to equal, if I take the derivative of this piece, I get 3 to the x natural log of 3 times the derivative of x. And then the derivative of 5 is just 0. So this is going to equal, when I take the derivative of x, I get 1. And if I multiply 1 times this, I just get 3 to the x natural log 3. And obviously that would be the exact same thing because of they're written the exact same. So let's do the quotient rule now. So f prime of x is going to equal u prime v, so that's 3 to the x natural log 3, times v, which would be 3 to the x plus 5, minus u v prime, so we're going to have 3 to the x times 3 to the x natural log 3. And then that would be over 3, let's see, v squared, which would be 3 to the x plus 5 squared. Now we could do some simplifying here. So let's say f prime of x is equal to, if I want to simplify a little bit, I could take that 3 to the x and distribute it here if I wanted to. So that would be 3 to the x times 3 to the x. They have like bases, so we add the powers. So we end up with natural log 3. And then we would have times 3 to the 2x plus 5 times 3 to the x. And then if we do the same thing here, we get minus, that'd be 3 to the 2x natural log of 3. And that's all divided by 3 to the x plus 5 squared. Now I think we're kind of stuck here. Well, maybe not. If we distribute the natural log 3, if we distribute the natural log of 3 here to each term, we end up with 3 to the 2x natural log 3 plus 5, 3 to the x natural log of 3 minus 3 to the 2x natural log of 3 all over 3 to the x plus 5 squared. Well, I can cancel now this piece with this piece, and I'm left with 5, 3 to the x natural log 3 over 3 to the x plus 5 squared. That would be the most simplest version. This is your derivative.